Bansi and welcome back to my channel, and I welcome you all to Diwalog 2020. So for today's video, I am going to share a spa day with you guys. What even a Diwalog is without a Diwali pampering routine or a festive pampering session. I know that everyone is tired because of the whole Diwali cleaning, and plus because of the pandemic situation, so many of us have to do the cleaning ourselves. Now it's high time that you give yourself a day off and pamper yourself for the whole day so that you can feel best about yourself. You don't have to go to any parlor for feeling best about yourself. You can do it yourself, and I'm here to help you out. In today's video, we are going to take care of everything from our hair till our toenails. Everything is going to be taken care of, and I've made sure that I make maximum use of natural ingredients that we already have in our kitchen. So yeah, if you want to know more about it, then please keep on watching, and without any further ado, let's just get started. So I've prepared a list of all the things that we have to cover in this video. Like, I've made a to-do list of all the things that I'm going to be covering in this video, and I am going to start with applying a hair mask. And the hair mask that I'm using is the egg hair mask that I've recently shared with you guys, and you can use any other hair mask. I've shared a lot of hair masks with you guys on my channel, and even if you're comfortable with using a chemical based hair mask, then you can go ahead and use it, because the idea of the whole pampering session is to make you feel best about yourself. So if you're comfortable with using a chemical based hair mask, then go ahead and use it. And if you want to use a DIY hair mask, then I have a lot of options with you guys. And for today's hair mask, I've added egg, olive oil and honey to this, and I will apply it generously on my scalp and all over my hair. So I'll see you once I'm done with that. So I've applied the hair mask and washed my face. Now I will do a small pedicure session. Like, I'll just soak my feet in hot water for around 10 to 15 minutes and then remove the dead skin. That's it. In case if you want to do a whole in-depth pedicure, then I have a video of pedicure wherein I've shared you how to do a pedicure step by step. So I'll make sure to mention the links in the description box below. But for now, I'm just soaking my feet in the hot water. I'll soak my feet in hot water for around 10 to 15 minutes, and by the time my feet is getting soaked, I'll quickly get rid of my facial hair, like the extra hair of my eyebrows and the upper lips and some peach fuzz on my cheeks. So I'll quickly do that by the time my feet is getting soaked. Again, I'll not mess up with the shape of my eyebrows, because I know that I'm not a professional, I'm just a beginner in face shaving. So I'll just get rid of the extra hair off of my eyebrows, and of course I'll do my upper lips and get rid of the peach fuzz that is present on my cheeks. I would suggest you to not shave your face if you are having any active pimple on your face. Let the pimple heal and then you can shave your face. Again, while you are shaving your face, don't hold the razor directly on your face. Hold it at an angle on your face so that you don't end up cutting yourself. So I'm done with shaving, and now I will scrub my face, and for the scrub I'm using the Biotic Bio Papaya Revitalizing Tan Removal Scrub. And in case if you want to use a DIY scrub, then I have an option for you guys. You can take coffee, powdered sugar, mix these two ingredients, and then add a little bit of oil, any oil, literally any oil that you might be having at your place. Mix a little bit of oil into it and start scrubbing your face with this oil. Trust me, coffee scrub is one of the best DIY scrubs that I have used, and I really love that. But for now, I'm gonna use my favorite scrub of all time, and that is the Biotic Bio Papaya Scrub. Make sure that when you're scrubbing your face, you're being very gentle on your face and very gently in circular motions. scrub your face for around 2 to 3 minutes. Guys, I would say that you should not shave your face and scrub your face on the same day if you are a beginner. Like, shave your face priorly and then scrub your face on the day when you have planned the whole pampering session. I can do it because my skin has become very used to it now, and if you're a beginner then please don't do it. It might cause irritation on your skin. Now I will rinse this and get back to you guys. Okay, so I've rinsed the scrub and now I'll go ahead and apply this face pack. This is just the regular besan, haldi, curd, and because it's winter time, I've also added a little bit of honey for extra moisture on my face. I'll just quickly apply this face pack. So by the time the face pack dries on my face, I will quickly scrub off the dead skin off of my feet. For that, I'm using this regular tool that you easily get in the market.
Rinse the face mask and apply a moisturizer on your face.
Okay, so we are done with hair mask, pedicure, facial hair removal, facial scrub and a face mask. Now we will move on to body polishing. So for the body polishing, you will need equal quantities of honey and lemon, and while you are squeezing the lemon, don't throw away the lemon peel because you'll need it afterwards.
Take the lemon peel and dip it into the lemon and honey solution and start rubbing it on areas where you have discoloration like your knees, your elbows and your neck maybe.
Now I will quickly rinse all of this with clean cold water and I'll see you guys in a bit.
For preparing the body scrub, you will need equal quantities of powdered sugar, coffee and add some oil to it.
Get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me.
Ideally I would do this in shower, but just for the sake of video, because why not? The smell of this coffee scrub is so amazing. If you are a coffee lover, then you definitely have to try this scrub. Scrub your body for around 3 to 5 minutes and then you're done. Okay, so now that I have something or the other applied on every part of my body almost, I'll just hop into the shower and wash everything off, wash my hair and see you guys in a bit. But for you guys, I'll be back in a second. I'm back. I just got done with my shower and I washed my hair, and honestly guys, I'm really loving this feeling. I mean, my hair and my skin is feeling so soft and so smooth, and I guess I have covered all the points that we talked about in the beginning of the video, and I'm really happy with all the spa feeling and especially the scrub. It has made my skin so soft and so supple. Please do try this one out and let me know your results in the comments down below. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. And if you did, then please don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel if you already haven't. I'll see you tomorrow. Until then, bye.